Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to sync audio and video in CapCut. First of all, you can obviously only do this step if you have a video with sound and you have an audio with the same sound basically. So if you, for example, recorded something with an external microphone but you also recorded the sound with your phone, and then CapCut is going to be able to sync the two sounds together. If you have two clips which I just described, what you can do is just to highlight the video, click Control and hold the control and highlight the voice too, and what you need to do is just right click on either the video or the sound, and here you will see the option sync video and audio. Now I don't have this option because I don't have sound on the video, but if you have sound on your video and you obviously have your audio, then you will be able to have this option and it's gonna work perfectly if you click that. And then CapCut is gonna sync the video and sound track together, and basically you just need to mute the sound of the original video by clicking on this sound icon here. Alright, so all in all, this is how to sync audio and video in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and drills in the video description as well.